The little wolf and mother wolf. Vertically au morie. Beneath means lande. If something is beneath something else, it is under it. The largest part of an iceberg lies beneath the water line. تر ټولو غټه برخه د برف کوچ چې ده د اوبو هغه د سطحې لاندې وي. Cub means the حیوان بچی. Cub is a baby animal which such as a bear or lion. The lion cub was crying for its mother. دغه زمري بچی چې و د خپل مور لپاره ژړا کوله. Dawn means سباون. Dawn is the time of day when the sun rises. At dawn the sun generally rose over the farm. سباون وخت کې لمر په نرم یا په خسته ډول باندې دغه کارونده باندې راجیګ شو. Dissatisfied means غیر راضي. If you are dissatisfied, you are not happy with something. I was dissatisfied with their decision to work on Sundays. زه د دوی تصمیم سره چې د یکشنبې په ورځ باندې کار وکړي غیر راضي وم. Ease means اسانتیا. If something is done with ease, it is not hard to do. The monkey climbed the tree with ease. Bizo ونې ته په اسانۍ سره جګه شوه. Evident means واضح څرګند. If something is evident, it is easy to see or understand. It was evident from the look on his face that he was unhappy. دا د هغې مخ باندې کوم عکس العمل یا سر مخین حرکت مخه حرکت چې و ښکاره و چې هغه خفه دی. Hail means galay. Hail is the ice that falls from the sky when rain freezes. The hail from the storm was the size of golf balls. هغه لۍ چې په طوفان کې وشوه د golf د توپ اندازه و. Howl means غپیدل. To howl means to make a long loud sound like a wolf or a dog. The wolf howled at the moon. لیوه وغپیده یا وازی وباسله د سپوږمۍ په طرف. Leap means jump وهل خیز وهل. To leap means to jump a long distance. He had to leap over the gap to reach the other side of the hill. هغه مجبور چې په دې فاصله باندې خیز وهي تر څو د غونډۍ بل طرف ته ځان ورسوي. Magnificent means فوق العاده عالي. When something is magnificent, it is beautiful and grand. The man gave his wife a pair of magnificent diamond earrings. سړي خپل ښځې ته یو جوړه فوق العاده د الماسو غوږوالۍ ورکړې. Necessity means ضرورت. A necessity is something that is needed. Necessity هغه څه دی چې تاسې ورته اړتیا لرئ. Fresh water is a necessity for life. تازه اوبه د ژوند لپاره یو ضرورت دی. Outcome means result. نتیجه. An outcome is the end of an action or event. The outcome of his latest business plan was a complete failure. د هغې تر ټولو تازه تجارتي پلان نتیجه چې وه په پوره توګه ناکامي وه. Pile means ambar. A pile is a large group of things on top of one another. The pile of cups was beginning to tell. دغه مقدار د پیالو خوځښت شروع کړ. Profound means لایقه یا فوق العاده عالي. When something is profound, it's very intelligent. For a little boy, Jeremy has some profound thoughts. منحیز یو وړوکی ماشوم جرمی چې د فوق العاده افکار لري. Seize means ضبط کول. To seize something means to grab it quickly or strongly. The man seized as much money as he could before anyone could see him. سړی دومره پیسې ضبط کړلې څومره چې هغې ته امکان و. Squeeze means فشار راوړل. چتول. To squeeze something means to press it together and hardly. When Clara saw her cat, کله چې کلارا خپله بیزو ولیدله, she gave it a big squeeze. سمه غېږه یې ترې واخیسته. Supreme means فوق العاده. When something is supreme, it is the highest or best. The supreme officer was in charge of keeping the citizens calm. Terrific. When something is terrific, it is very good. فوق العاده عالی. Trait means خاصیت ویژګي. And vital means مهم. ریډینګ یې په خپله ولولئ او کوشش وکړئ ریډینګ په نوټبوک کې په خپله ترجمه کوئ. ګورو چې څنګه یې ترجمه کوئ.